Welcome back to the channel. The camera opens with a wide shot of rugged mountains, the first rays of sunrise breaking through the mist. The 2025 Isuzu D-MAX comes into frame, cutting across the terrain with confidence. Its redesigned front fascia reflects the new era of pickup trucks, tough, but stylish enough to stand tall in a city street or out in the wilderness. The host's voice enters with a calm but excited tone, inviting viewers to explore what makes this year's D-MAX more than just another pickup. Walking around the exterior, the difference is clear. The D-MAX has always been a vehicle built on strength and utility, but the 2025 version evolves into something more contemporary. The grille is sharper, more aggressive, and flanked by slimmer LED headlights that sweep back into the fenders. The bumpers are sculpted for both aerodynamics and visual presence, while new wheel designs, ranging from tough steel setups to sleek 18-inch alloys, give each trim level its own personality. Even small touches like the new taillight signature and underbody protection panels show that Isuzu has thought about both style and substance. As the camera pans along the side, we see that the D-MAX hasn't abandoned its core DNA. Ground clearance remains high, the stance is wide and purposeful, and the proportions emphasize strength. Roof rails, sports bars, and accessories vary across trims, ensuring the D-MAX can play both roles, rugged work partner or lifestyle companion. In motion, it looks muscular but not bulky, modern yet rooted in its reputation for reliability. Stepping inside, the host runs a hand along the reshaped dashboard. The cabin has come a long way from the bare-bones interiors of older pickups. In entry-level versions, the design is functional, with durable plastics, large physical buttons, and materials that will survive years of heavy use. But in higher trims, the transformation is remarkable. Leather upholstery, contrast stitching, ambient lighting, and a new flat-bottom steering wheel introduce a level of comfort and sophistication once reserved for SUVs. Front and center is the upgraded infotainment system. Depending on the model, you'll find either a 9-inch or a 10.1-inch high-resolution touchscreen. It's compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it's positioned intuitively so drivers can stay focused on the road. In premium versions, an 8-speaker system delivers surprisingly crisp sound for long drives, while even the workhorse trims benefit from straightforward, responsive menus. The instrument cluster now integrates a digital display, presenting everything from tire pressure to fuel efficiency in clear, colorful graphics. Down on the center console, details reveal how Isuzu has blended practicality with modern expectations. A wireless charging pad keeps your phone topped up, multiple USB ports ensure passengers can stay connected, and rear vents provide comfort in the back seats. Remote engine start, available on upper trims, gives the convenience of climate control before you even step inside. The D-MAX may be a pickup, but its interior experience feels more versatile than ever. Now, the heartbeat of the D-MAX lies beneath the hood. Buyers get a choice between two turbo diesel engines. First, the dependable 1.9-liter unit producing around 148 to 160 horsepower and 350 to 360 newton-meters of torque. This engine prioritizes efficiency, reliability, and lower running costs, perfect for those using the truck daily for commuting or light hauling. Then there's the beefier 3.0-liter engine, delivering 187 horsepower and 450 newton-meters of torque. This is the choice for drivers who regularly tow heavy loads, tackle mountain passes, or simply enjoy the reassurance of stronger pulling power. Both engines pair with a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, smooth and well-tuned to the truck's dynamics. But power is nothing without control, and the 2025 D-MAX brings significant improvements to ride and handling. Built on Isuzu's dynamic drive platform, the chassis benefits from lightweight high-strength steel and optimized suspension geometry. On highways, the truck feels more planted, with less body shake and reduced cabin vibrations compared to earlier generations. Over rough terrain, the suspension absorbs bumps with confidence, keeping passengers comfortable even when the road disappears. For off-road enthusiasts, this truck is more capable than ever. With shift-on-the-fly 4-wheel drive, a locking rear differential, and high approach and departure angles, the D-MAX thrives in mud, gravel, and rocky climbs. A newly introduced rough terrain mode works in tandem with traction control to prevent wheel spin and distribute torque intelligently across axles. Reviewers have noted how confidently the truck handles steep quarry climbs and muddy trails, its underbody protection shielding it from scrapes and knocks. For farmers, builders, or adventure seekers, the reassurance of true off-road ability is a core reason to choose the D-MAX. Utility remains at the heart of this pickup. With a payload capacity of over 1,000 kilograms and a towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilograms, the 2025 D-MAX is built to handle serious work. The ladder frame chassis, paired with heavy-duty rear leaf springs, ensures durability under stress. Whether it's hauling building supplies during the week or towing a boat for a weekend getaway, the D-MAX stands ready to perform. And yet, capability doesn't mean compromise on safety. Standard equipment includes ABS, electronic brake force distribution, stability control, and traction systems. Climb higher up the range, and you unlock a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Forward collision warning, autonomous emergency braking, lane departure prevention, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and multi-collision braking. These systems are powered by a newly refined front-facing camera and radar setup, ensuring quicker, more accurate responses to real-world hazards. Safety has always been a key strength for Isuzu, and the 2025 D-MAX continues that legacy with confidence. Fuel economy naturally varies. The smaller 1.9-litre diesel is expected to deliver consumption figures close to 8 litres per 100 kilometres in optimal conditions, though real-world tests put it nearer to 11 to 12. Heavy towing or off-road driving will push those numbers higher, but buyers know that comes with the territory. Efficiency aside, Isuzu has engineered both engines for long-term dependability, prioritizing simple, robust designs over overly complex systems that could compromise reliability. Now comes perhaps the most intriguing development, the electric D-MAX. For the first time, Isuzu has committed to an EV version of its iconic pickup. Produced initially in Thailand and expanding to Europe, this all-electric model is set to redefine what the brand can offer. Powered by dual electric motors producing around 140 kilowatts, it maintains a towing capacity of 3,500 kilograms and a payload just over 1 ton. Its 66.9 kilowatt-hour battery provides a range of up to 163 miles on the WLTP cycle, with as much as 224 miles in urban settings. While the numbers may not shatter EV records, the fact that Isuzu has preserved the core utility of a pickup in electric form is a statement in itself. For businesses seeking low-emission fleets or drivers wanting to combine rugged practicality with eco-responsibility, this marks a bold new chapter. From the outside, the electric version looks nearly identical to its diesel siblings, ensuring continuity for buyers. But underneath, the platform adapts to the demands of battery placement and weight distribution, ensuring the truck remains balanced and capable. European markets will see left-hand drive models first in late 2025, followed by right-hand drive versions by early 2026, meaning the EV D-MAX will soon be a global contender. As the camera shifts back to the host standing in front of a gleaming D-MAX, the story becomes clear. This is more than a refresh, it's a redefinition. For traditional buyers, the diesel versions remain as reliable and capable as ever, perfect for industries and individuals who rely on strength and endurance. For lifestyle drivers, new trims and premium interiors elevate the experience, making it a vehicle as comfortable in urban life as it is in the wild. And for those looking ahead, the electric D-MAX signals Isuzu's commitment to staying relevant in a changing automotive world. In closing, the 2025 Isuzu D-MAX is not just a truck. It's a bridge between heritage and future, between work and leisure, between reliability and innovation. Whether you're hauling, towing, exploring, or simply commuting, the D-MAX offers a version that fits your life. As the camera pans out, the truck disappears into the horizon, leaving viewers with one clear impression: the legend of the D-MAX continues, stronger than ever.